How to delete temporary files on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your temporary files on your PC or laptop. Whether you guys are using Windows 10 or 11 doesn't really matter, so let's get started. First thing, just head over to your keyboard and simply press Windows plus R combination and simply searching for the following keyword which I'll be showing you on your screen. So the first thing, just select this %temp just like this and simply searching, hit the enter button on your keyboard and you should see all of your temp folder, that is your temporary folder files inside over here. So simply select all of these using Ctrl A on your keyboard and simply hit the Shift Delete on your keyboard to simply delete all of these permanently. And if it's asked for your issue like continue, simply hit the continue button, and if there are some files which cannot be deleted, simply hit the skip, and if it's still ignoring you, then simply tap on cancel, so that those files may be deleted later. So once you do that, another thing what you can also do is simply hit the Windows plus R keyboard once again and simply select temp, that is searching for temp folder once again, and it will again redirect you to this another Windows temporary folder, and simply select all of these and delete all of these as well, just like this. So once you do all of that, your temporary files will be successfully deleted from your computer, just like this. It's not even in the recycle bin. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.